Alright, welcome to a bug-eyed video. We're going to do a review on this bird feeder right here. And this bird feeder is phenomenal. It is fantastic. It comes with this top, which you twist and take off. I already have it set up to where I can just take it off because I am holding the camera with my left hand and showing you my right hand. Here we go. So you pour in the bird seed on top, and then you can set it down and then turn it clockwise to close it if you want. The birds, they come down here and just nestle, just hang out on the outside perimeter here and just eat that bird seed. And as they eat it, there's a little hole, a little gap at the bottom where the bird seed comes down. And I find that the particular species of bird, they like the little the black seeds in here. As you can see, they've been mostly ate because that's what they go for, is those little black seeds, and they must like that. Must give them their must be like sweet, or their gives them what they need, or at least what they like. So other than that, it's a pretty cool bird feeder. It's got it set. It comes with this little they make a little, tie that little knot attachment so you can put it on that hook, and it's pretty neat. You're supposed to put these about 5 feet in the air, but those type of directions are pretty retarded. So anyway, this is a bird feeder. I mean, it's a bird feeder. You can't really go wrong with a bird feeder. But there is adequate amount of space for the birds, for the little birdies to hang out, and they like it. I'm sure if you put bird feed on there that they don't like, I'm sure the birds won't come, but they might hang out. I don't see them up here any. They're usually down here eating the food because they come for a reason. Alright, this has been another bug-eyed video. Have a great day.